A very good morning to class. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the Air and the Water Act, that is environmental legislation. But there are some also laws which are internationally valid. Okay, so we are discussing about what are the international laws, what are their different types. Okay, so we discuss today about the international laws. So it is a collective body of the agreement regarding mutual rights and the obligations of the countries of the world. Okay, so what are the international law? Basically, it is a collective body of the agreement regarding mutual rights and the obligations of the countries of the world. It is a framework of the convention and the treaties between the contracting party. What are those contracting party? Between the two countries in which any law is treated. Okay, international declaration, collective principles, opinion, and generally accepted practices among the states. Okay, the enforcement of the provision of the international law is through the negotiation rather than by the force. Okay, guys, the next point is the convention and the treaties between different countries, international declaration, collective principles, opinions, and generally accepted practices which are concerned with the environmental constitute what we know as the international environmental law. So this is about the international law, that is international environmental law. Okay, it is also a system of regulating the practices and the behavior of concerned countries in the environmental matter, violation of which may cause a surge adverse public opinion in the world, which in turn could be a cause of the world war. Okay, please note that the basis of the international cooperation is concern for the deteriorating condition of the environment and degradation of wildlife simultaneously in many countries of the world, especially the leading industrialized like French, UK, Germany, USA, and all. People in these countries pressurized for the government legislative and administrative actions to protect and restore the quality of the environment. It has been observed that the national action alone cannot successfully reduce the environmental problem. For example, local tree alone could protect itself from nuclear fallout from the surface atomic test. So this is about the international law, and there are different types of the international law like the Rio Declaration on Environment and the Development, Agenda 21, Convention on Biological Diversity, UN Framework Convention on the Climatic Change, and the Forest Principle. So in the next class we will discuss about the these types of the international law like the Agenda 21, Convention on the Biological Diversity, and all. Okay, so you can write from there. In this topic, Agenda 21 is more important, and Kyoto Protocol. Okay. Okay, guys, these are the types of the international laws. So in the next class we will discuss one by one. Okay, thank you class.